In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste notes in Soundtrap. If you're building melodies, stacking chords, or doubling parts, this simple workflow will save you a ton of time while keeping everything neat and musical. First, open the piano roll. In your project, find a MIDI region or pattern on a track. It looks like a colored block that represents your notes. Double-click that region and the piano roll will pop open below, showing your notes as rectangles on a grid. This is where you'll make selections and do your editing. If you don't see the notes you expect, make sure you're double-clicking the correct region on the right track. Next, select the notes you want to copy. For a single note, just click it. It will highlight to show it's selected. For multiple notes, you have two options. You can click and drag to draw a box around the notes you want, or you can hold the Shift key and click each note one by one to build your selection. Take your time here. Zoom in if you need more precision, and if you accidentally grab too much, click an empty space to deselect and try again. Clean selections make clean copies. Now it's time to copy and paste. On Windows, press Ctrl+C to copy. On Mac, press CMD+C. Before you paste, decide exactly where you want the notes to land. Notes will paste at the playhead position, which is the vertical line that shows where playback starts. Click on the timeline to place that line at the bar or beat you want. When you're ready, press Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac to paste. The notes will keep their timing relative to each other, so chords and rhythms stay intact, but they'll start right where the playhead is. If they land in the wrong spot, don't worry. Undo is your friend. Press Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z and try again. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure the playhead is exactly where you want the pasted notes to begin, especially if you're aligning with a specific bar or beat. If you need to paste the same selection multiple times, you can paste repeatedly without recopying as long as your selection hasn't changed. And if things sound cluttered after pasting, that's a sign the paste point might need a small adjustment. That's it. Open the piano roll, select your notes, copy, set the playhead, and paste. Practice this a few times and it'll become second nature in your Soundtrap workflow.